Good morning, people. Don't know your boy Richard see with a zeal and me wake up without this morning. You see what my shirt say? Who can tell me what my shirt say? Say fearless, live free. And that man there, zeal. So man say pick up and roll the king dog. Yo, your girlfriend house me moving in dog. Big up yourself, Popcorn. Big up yourself, Marcus. May I say you see a song called Unruly King Dog? Song they very, 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 very put together. When it come to mixing, 100%. When it come to mastering, 100%. Everything about that track is good, dog. And Popcorn deliver upon that track there. You see me? It might not be a this song, but it's a nice girl song, you know. I mean, I have to big up yourself, Popcorn. The Unruly song they shot, you know, and a Toronto we live still, I mean, I have to big up all the Toronto artists, them, you see me? Big up. Instagram say Unruly T that, so no, add me up on Instagram Unruly T that. See it? Straight. I mean, I say big up all the Toronto artists, them, you know? Big up yourself, man, like Escaliva, you don't know. Ziggy Everstrap, you don't know. Jonah Tuffy, you don't know. You see me? Isos, you don't know. And them man, they are doing things, you know? Big up all of the Toronto artists, them, you see it? So, first of all, big up yourself, Tommy Lee Sparta, you don't know. Richie said that, you see it? Yeah, man. And back to Popcorn now, dog. Popcorn, you never answer microwave song still, but the Unruly King of song shot, dog. It's a nice great tune, dog. You see me, I listen, what I listen, I say, yo, me catch the song from yesterday, dog. Right now, I can't know what I song from yesterday. Because it's like, it's a very catchy song, too. But like, very catchy, yo, and Popcorn deliver that song, dog. I'm not lie. It's a very good song, you see me, and Marcus put a song together good. And come like say best thing you ever do and lost. Low to look white dog. If you have microwave, the next man a toaster, you see me? So the man call the microwave, call the next man toaster dog, you see it? Or a kettle or something there, you know? Because every man use microwave, you see it? So if your man a call a man microwave, you know nothing that. If a man call me microwave more than call me straight dog, you see it? So the microwave man nothing. So if a man a call a microwave, papi call a man toaster or a kettle, you see it? Because some man just a whistle like them a kettle dog. Like that them are there, you see it? So I will say Unruly for life, I will not care what nobody want to say. You see it? If you want to comment, comment. If you want to like, you like. If you want to share, share. Because I not really look this really hype and fame, you know. Because I work, I have my two jobs, I see it, I have my car and everything. I mean, I do this with hype and fame, I just do it for music and the love of music. And the love of my fans, you see it? So I have to big up myself, Papi, and we say Unruly, and we not stop say that straight. Done.